Hello and good morning, students. Today we are going to start the revision of class 8, and in the revision portion first I am going to revise your chapter electric current and circuits. And today we have a topic, that topic name is electrolysis. This chapter we already completed in your class, and here from today we started here revision, and revision portion electrolysis. So students, we are knowing about electrolysis. Electrolysis is made up of two words, electron and second lysis. Electron means flow of electron, and how electron flow. So electron always flow in a complete path, circular but complete path. Electron always travel in a complete path, okay, on the circle. Lysis means separation, and whose was separation. So in the process of electrolysis, we selected electrolyte breakdown, and when it break down, this process, when electrolysis when electrolytes break down, this process is considered as lysis. So it's mean in the process of electrolysis, flow of electron and break down the electrolytes. Okay, what is electrolytes? So electrolytes are those which conduct electricity electricity in their molten or aqueous state. Molten or aqueous state. Okay, why molten and aqueous state is necessary? Because in dry electrolytes, electrons are tightly packed with the help of force, so they are not able to free to move. So electrolytes only conduct electricity when they are present in aqueous or molten states. Because when they present in aqueous or molten states, then their electrons are able to easily free to move. Okay. Okay. Some electrolytes suppose like aqueous NaCl, with the example of aqueous NaCl, copper sulfate, etc. These are the electrolytes. So electrolysis, how complete? So electrolysis will complete when you have knowledge of electrolytes as well as flow of electrons. So flow of electrons in easy term, it is known as ease of flow of electrons, which is also known as conductance. So by the help of these two concepts, now we are going to cover the definition of electrolysis. Okay. So the decomposition of an electrolyte. The decomposition of an electrolyte. Okay. Suppose we have electrolytes here NaCl. Suppose we have electrolytes NaCl in aqueous form. Okay. And when you heat, when you give electric current, not when you pass the electric current. So when you pass electric current on electrolytes, then what happens? It is electrolytes. So when you pass electric current on electrolytes, then it will decompose. It will decompose into Na plus Cl minus. Okay. So the decomposition of electrolytes through an electric current. Through an electric current as a result as a result. As a results. Okay. So as a result, when you pass electric current on electrolytes, then as a result, it converts into its ion form. Here sodium ion and here chlorine ion. Chlorine ion. Okay. So the decomposition of an electrolytes. In example, we take an electrolytes here, sodium chloride. Through an electric current, we given here electric current as a result. So as a result, as a result, it converts into its ion form and migrates to opposite electrodes and becomes neutral This process is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis. Okay. So, students, now in your mind, very two or three questions here. First question, sir. By the way of this examples, you pay electrolytes contain contact of electric current, then it will convert into Na plus and Cl minus, which is known as ions. Okay. So, for your first question, sir, from where this electric current came? From where this electric current came? Okay. First question, keep in your mind. Second question from your side, sir. As it just gets converted into its ion form. Till here we know, but sir, you also written and migrates to opposite electrodes. What is the mean of electrodes? So second question, what is electrodes? And third question, and becomes neutral. So what is the sense of and becomes neutral? So three questions. If you have the knowledge of these three questions, okay, then you are able to easily explain the process of electrolysis. Otherwise, you read and write doesn't matter. Okay. So, but what I want you focus on these points because it's a very important topic. It will help you future classes also. So, from where electric current came? Okay, first, second, what is electrodes, and third, how ions migrate to opposite electrodes and becomes neutral. Okay, so in the definition portion, the decomposition of ion electrolytes through an electric current as a result, it converted into its ion form and migrate to opposite electrodes and becomes neutral. This process is known as electrolysis. Okay, so now question arises from where? So students, electrolysis process is done in a cell. The electrolysis process is done in a cell. That cell is known as electrolytic cell. Okay, it is electrolytic cell. Sorry. So here I am making electrochemical cell, not electrolytic cell. Electrochemical cells are those which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So here electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cells convert chemical energy. It converts chemical energy to electrical energy. And in case of electrolytic cells turns electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay. So in electrolytic cells, two rod-like structures here present, and both are known as electrodes. Okay. Electrodes, as a clear from its name, electron rods. It means electrodes are those which provide the path to flow electron. To flow electron. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन को चलने के लिए रास्ता है, which provide the path to flow electrons is known as electrodes. Electrodes are of two types, and these type decided by the battery terminal. Okay, it is the symbol of battery. It is the symbol of battery. Okay, so it is negative terminal, so it is negative electrodes, and if it is attached with the help of the metallic wire, both electrodes attached with the help of metallic wires. So when it attached with the positive terminal, so it is known as positive electrodes, and it is known as negative electrodes. Okay. In electrolytic cells, here fit electrolytes. Electrolytes are those which, when came in contact of electric current, it dissociates into its ion form, and their ion migrate to opposite electrodes. Opposite electrode means, suppose it is negative, so here migrate positive, and it is positive, so here migrate negative. Okay. Positive ion, very less space is positive. Okay, now here for definition I want here. Okay, positive ion is known as cation, while negative ion is known as anion. So the name of electrodes, charge on electrodes is decided by battery terminal. The charge on electrodes is decided by the battery terminal, and the name on electrode is decided by the upcoming opposite ion. So on negative, positive will go. So positive name is cation. So it is the reason its name cathode. And on positive, negative will go, and negative is known as anion. So its name anode. Its name anode. Okay. So by the help of electrochemical cell, you are able to understand the concept of electrolysis. So what is electrolysis? The decomposition of an electrolyte. So here electrolyte, suppose we take an NaCl in aqueous form through an electric current from where we get electric current. So we get electric current from the battery. From the battery. Okay, as a result, it's converted to its ion form. So NaCl converted to its ion form. It is in aqueous form and converted to Na plus HCl minus. After that, and migrate to opposite electrodes. So chlorine will migrate to which side? Chlorine will go to anode side, and sodium will go to cathode side. But the discharge potential of elements is decided by the preferential discharge theory. Here, this is not in your syllabus, so only for understanding you know this. Positive will go to negative sides, and negative will go to positive sides. Okay. And becomes neutral. It means positive lose their own positive, sodium lose their positive charge, and calcium lose their negative charge and becomes neutral. And this whole process is known as electrolysis. And where this process happens? This process happens in electrochemical cell. Okay. So I hope you understand the concepts of electrolysis. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process where any electrodes decompose by the help of electric current. As a result, it converts into its ion form, and their ion migrate to opposite electrodes and becomes neutral. This whole process is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis is done in a cell. That cell is known as electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cells contain two rods. That rod is known as electrodes. Electrodes are those which provide a path to flow the electrons, and electrodes are connected to a battery with the help of a metallic wire, which one attached with positive known as anode, and which which one attached with negative terminal known as cathode. Okay, so it is all about electrolysis. Next topic we will revise in next video. So for today, only this much.